Let's have a look at some different meditation videos. Some are easier to build than others, depending on your video editing talents. But all can be done without any advanced editing. Number 1. Ambient and background sounds for work, sleep, or simply to elevate worry, clear the mind, and unwind. Number 2. Soundscapes and tones for meditation in spa and yoga programs. Number 3. 432 Hz tones and binaural beats for deep meditation and healing. Number 4. Guided meditation for spiritual development and quiet motivation. Number 5. Videos of meditation quotes for mindful inspiration. Choose the style that best suits you, or start with something simple like general relaxation films, and work your way up to more complicated ones over time. Let's look at everything you'll need to get started with meditation and relaxation films. Hint: it's not difficult at all. How do I make meditation videos quickly? You'll only need the following items to make a basic relaxation or meditation video. Number 1. A stock video clip, preferably one that loops, so you can easily stretch it to the desired length. This could be a relaxing, calming abstract background or scenery videos. Number 2. Music that is relaxing or meditative. The ideal music to use is soft ambient music. Relaxing sound effects such as light rain, ocean, birds, or meditation bowl sounds can also be used. Number 3. You'll also need the spoken word audio if you're doing guided meditations. You can either hire a freelance voice actor to record it for you or record it yourself if you have audio recording equipment. Number 4. As a recognized audio emblem for your channel, use a short calming music intro or outro. Don't forget to like and subscribe.